A KPBS reporter visited Mission Beach and the Pacific Beach Boardwalk multiple times over the weekend and saw more than 100 people not wearing face coverings while walking on the sidewalks, riding bikes through the crowd, or waiting in line for a restaurant. Despite this, police remain reluctant to issue citations for violating the order. In June, San Diego Police Department officers issued just 3 citations, and the Metropolitan Transit Service issued 1, according to a KPBS review of police records. None of the other 13 police agencies in the county issued any citations in June. In May, only 3 citations were issued countywide. Police have said they are hesitant to issue citations because they worry about coming off as heavy-handed and damaging their already fragile relationship with the community. Also, they say the county's public health order is very difficult to enforce. The rule says people must wear a face covering when out in public and within 6 feet of another person who is not a member of their household.
It's real hard for us to know who's a member of the household and who's not a member of the household.
Lieutenant Sean Takeuchi is a spokesman for the San Diego Police Department.
I think generally people might envision families, right, where you've got a couple and you've got maybe kids, and those are quite simple. But it becomes a little difficult when it's not a family. When you've got the Pacific Beach area where you've got several people that might be living together as roommates and they're hanging out together. How do we as law enforcement officers are supposed to know that they're members of the same household? We don't.
He says officers sometimes stop people in big groups and ask, and if the people say yes, the officers take their word for it because they can't require people to carry IDs. Claire Tregesser, KPBS News.